In the world of systems analysis, the preliminary investigation is crucial. It's like laying the foundation for a house. Without it, everything else can crumble. The first step is understanding the problem at hand. This involves digging deep into what the issues are, who is affected, and what the desired outcomes look like. It's not just about identifying symptoms, it's about getting to the root cause. Once we have a clear grasp of the problem, we move on to gathering preliminary information. This is where we cast a wide net. We look at existing documentation, previous reports, and any relevant data that can shed light on the situation. This phase is all about collecting as much context as possible to inform our next steps. Now, let's talk about identifying feasible solutions. This is where creativity meets practicality. We brainstorm potential solutions, weighing their pros and cons. It's essential to consider not just what's theoretically possible, but what's realistic given the constraints of time, budget, and resources. Collaboration is key here. Involving stakeholders can lead to innovative ideas that might not have surfaced in isolation. After we've identified potential solutions, it's time to report our findings. This isn't just a dry presentation of data, it's about telling a story. We need to communicate our insights in a way that resonates with our audience, making it clear why our recommendations matter and how they can be implemented effectively. Now, let's dive into fact-finding techniques. One of the most effective methods is conducting interviews. Engaging with stakeholders directly allows us to gather qualitative insights that numbers alone can't provide. It's about asking the right questions and listening actively to uncover hidden perspectives. Surveys are another powerful tool. They allow us to reach a broader audience and gather quantitative data. Crafting well-designed surveys can yield valuable insights into user needs and preferences, helping us to validate our assumptions. Document reviews are essential too. By analyzing existing materials, we can identify gaps in information and understand historical context. This helps us avoid reinventing the wheel and ensures we build on what's already been established. Observation is a technique that can't be overlooked. By watching how users interact with the system in real time, we can identify pain points and inefficiencies that might not be captured through other methods. It's about seeing the reality of the situation firsthand. Finally, prototyping allows us to visualize solutions before full-scale implementation. Creating a mock-up or a pilot version of a system can provide invaluable feedback. It's a way to test our ideas in a low-risk environment, making adjustments based on user interactions and feedback. In summary, the preliminary investigation and fact-finding techniques in systems analysis are all about understanding the problem, gathering the right information, and exploring feasible solutions. By using a mix of interviews, surveys, document reviews, observation, and prototyping, we can ensure that our analysis is thorough and our recommendations are grounded in reality. This structured approach not only enhances the quality of our findings, but also builds trust with stakeholders, paving the way for successful implementation.